Warm greetings from Erasmus Mundus Association, home of Erasmus Mundus students and alumni. It's with great pleasure I would like to invite Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters Program and Erasmus Mundus Joint Doctoral Program coordinators and consortium members to attend our 12th General Assembly. The General Assembly will be hosted at University of Vienna between 23rd to 25th of February 2019. This is the first time ever we have opened up the General Assembly to invite the coordinators and consortium members of the joint programs. This is a great opportunity for us to discuss the collaboration aspects, the sustainability aspects of the program, the branding, the quality assurance, jointness of the degree, and most importantly, promotion of the various programs. So there will also be an opportunity to attend some of the sessions organized by Marie Curie Alumni Association. So this is an incredible opportunity for us to ensure we really work closely with all the coordinators and consortium members, and it's also a great opportunity for the coordinators and the consortium members to have a first-hand experience of what Erasmus Mundus Association do and what it stands for and how you all can benefit from it. So please look into the General Assembly 2019 website for more information. So we were really looking forward to have you all over there, and this is hopefully the first of the kind collaboration which we would like to nurture further. Thank you.